Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Vera, I'll go finish my bowl. Vera, pass me that bowl now. Which one?
Yeah, Omagwali more.
Vera, young you say why Africa, my have view more was what was Sigma, why you are Mopano.
Gwegwa Baba.
Sakan Webo, where are we been?
Oh, Sigma, where for Baba?
Well, like Babu was Sigma Vera. You were Vera. The monobia will be unable of your guide. You don't know one who must your guide.
Well, Sigma, where for Vera? Bros, all Sigma wefo.
You collect that go for my Vera. Collect that go for me.
Ma collector.
Collect. Don't smoke now.
Wagun ma collector. Let her smoke. Let she have smoke. More have. We are banana. See, waiting. See, me she see smoke. Okay, let her smoke more. Okay, hey, banana on a window. Yes, so say me leave and me smoke. So say me come out for my mother. They talk away. Me the comment is say. My friend Igbo, he want smoke and finish. So say me leave and so say me come. This one say me leave and Grace. Solomon. Me leave and that one say yes. Yeah, when you say I bro, yeah, so when you say I.
Oh, you want me high.
Favor say my collector. No, favor, I don't not. She need it. You know, say people say my liver. This one say joy, he say my collector. They say so say my liver. Yeah, when you see I get it, so when you collect it, he might understand the message they confuse me. When I the right away because he wants smoke my friend, he go finish. Vera, why see you both nefu? Now we know, we know why Sigma na for the no gbe opa ni agbo Vera. E mama ya gwa le mo, wa do aroshi gbo se na webu. E me wa we matter na e.
We no mio Igma na e Sigma ni mio.
Uwe?
Mio e Sigma, mio.
Ni mio e.
Mio Igma ni.
My friend say my collect the Igbo for here. I'm gonna reason the matter. How na dey see? I never dey see her well. My friend say, you know what made this girl smoke the Igbo finish? Because this girl. I decide all of una. I decide all of una. Not too much. Yeah. Joy is. Say Vera useless. Very useless woman. Imagine. You all they rush me. You know, see the way they rush my friend Igbo. Mona they look at her. You all they rush my friend Igbo. Mona they share. And maybe people they see what it is up. Eh? She need them, Abi? Ha, they say you need them. Vera, everyone need them. Oh. Vera, want smoke the Igbo finish, oh. Want smoke the Igbo finish, oh. How's that, hey? Joy, say my collector, me not smoke a finish. It's so in me, hey. Vera, they need why enjoy, mamu, you know, hey. See, she the enjoy, see, the pepper. See the smoke. You don't see the way she the pepper. Hey, Vera, we like him in Masha. Eh? The man we like him in Masha, very hard. Eh? If you can't buy it, you don't make a can't buy. See, as you know, they see the smoke, they come out. Now they see the smoke. You just enjoy that. See, Vera again, not be woman. Again, what did it be before? Again, Favor, see collector. Favor, you want me a collector? Only you know they say my collector. Another person don't say my collector. The rest people say leave and me smoke and finish. Vivian Audion, I cite you. Good morning. God bless you. Yeah, our comedy news today, Don't be small bogan news today. Vera want smoke my friend, it go finish. Today topic. Vera wan smoke my friend Igbo finish. Mona suggest now. Mona suggest my people. May I collect am for my or may I leave am? I just need suggestion from my house. Yeah, God bless you, Sareti. Hope Sareti. God bless you. So today comedy news abeg. Mona dey follow us because our today news he hot because today we too beat this girl if he smoke this Igbo finish. We are Sigmana for gbe opa na agbu we na. Carry your pack cut it. It might copy when not that complete for. May I give her the one till the complete finish. Now no say if I never give her Selembe, not the work. Selembe. It is Selembe no. That's Selembe. No say if I never give her that Selembe, not the work. I suppose give her Indian today, but I'm not sure say Indian go too make sense. May I give her Indian? Indian. If I see my hard Indian, then I don't know. Okay, need make up that way now. They might make up the front. Hey, I Sigma na for Vera. Se me agbo egbe. May I give her the albino makeup. When you see your or real video see in see about be this lori na they do for live video. You know you see the way they do am. Oh, select boy. Oh, fit or ma care. In see so now they see yeah. May I give my Indian style? May I give my Indian style? Indian style. When you tell me, Vera, you need Indian style now. Who can say yes, I'll give her. I say no, I'll not give her. Indian style. Or sick boss in FO. You be no. Why sick boss in FO, Vera B? Be my ho. Say the enjoyer. Vera, so igba wari we say we say we are talo we talo. Igba wari we say we Vera. Ah, my country people. See this girl want smoke my friend Igbo finish you. Grace, SOS say she need it. Yeah, she need it. Bro, say una funny sha. As you dey get joy, so you not like our comedy news we dey give people joy. If you know say just go, say every morning we dey give our joy every morning. So at this kind of time we dey get chance. From now on we not dey get chance. So this morning I make up with the quick doing. So those spiritual people will be say God bless. Now they quick see me this morning. People wey dey watch me for life, now blessing people, not be saying yeah. Not be later I go dey watch the video. But as you dey watch me for life, confirm. Blessing they follow you because we dey do as it dey happen. Vera, wa sick boss me for abi. See as it boy the sweeter. Now they see wari you up and down. See as it boy the sweeter. Salo boy. Oh wari. Okay, na me I know your collector for ma. Bro, my sister go collect her for you. I want me away because of where do to agbe. Who Sigma na fo? Who see fo? Bro, so Sigma we fo. We wa see we Sigma we fo. Abu have you born later?
Bye later or Sigma ni.
Where?
Bye no later.
I didn't agility we say you we wa do you oppress you ene. Oppress you ene bro.
Bye was Sigma ni ne. We no be was here ne.
Nigbe. Ni mo okay. A bros we didn't know where to if you were to me ania. A bros we didn't know where to me ania. Who ya viania? Vera. A bros we go we a money we ya viania. Bros we my yatia.
My yatia.
No.
Why me no man yatia bien ebo vio guy. Ni bien no one bi.
Bo vie na. Ovie Cameroon obiele na. No do bia we jemi we Cameroon ni.
Cameroon bien na.
No bia we jemi we Cameroon ni. On your we na. Ma be show the guy. Yeah we even a dwarf. Yeah we the person of bien na we jemi we na dwarf. Say na show omo ele kwa yan. Yeah we Nigeria.
Obi Nigeria bi na.
Oh.
Ba we Vera ni pa ni don go.
Where?
Opa ni.
I opa ne.
Jama don go Cameroon.
Vera, who pa eh?
Era wo yan kiso yan ke Cameroon mo so ton ade de Nigeria do so ton. Okura ma so ton yo won wo ko ma mo go yo won ma won don na.
O ma mo do abi?
Ani ma won don ma so ton na.
O ma so ton abi?
O ma won don na.
Ijo oseme disgbagba Vera gbe o.
We do na so ton yo hun ere ko yan mo go yo hun to wa won don.
Ata alaja ni ahun.
Owi edo na so ton yo hun. Won eta wa amu yo hun to won don.
O mo do.
Na oni wa won don wo do di.
Ve de Vera ji oko.
Na oni federal wo don na.
Ero wodo.
Federal wo don.
Now the hear my friend they talk. Blessing on the year Bini well. Those are the year Bini. May God bless you now because I know some are going to listen. Vera, wa si boss emefu. Wa si boss emefu. You want to smoke my friend the go finish. I be Vera. My country people. Now they see awero wodo. They say not the husband not the husband materials. Not the husband materials. They say the house way they shocking the dwarf man we marry. They say na Senegal, so say na Ivory Coast, so say na Senegal, so say na Sudan, so say na Mali. Which where we want believe? Vera, may you see sample your husband, mo see. Sample the man where you dey born those children for Germany, mo see the Vera. Sample am for only 2 minutes you take sample am, mo see the man. At least the one we marry Kokobiri Rita be sample okay. Rita see the sample you Kokobiri. Everybody, people who they watch me now, I know say Rita the sample you Kokobiri. The Kokobiri husband where Rita marry, all of them know say Rita the sample. But why Vera not the sample the omogolo man we marry? Why not the sample? Vera, what's here? Floozy sugar. Laugh waki. The kind of man when they say this girl marry where they Jamie, they want to see the picture. Now we tired that they say this girl now fake life. Now she they live better fake life. If you smoke my friend, I bet where the bet on what a beat on. Bros, I bet give me that your bet. Yeah, correct. If you smoke my friend, the go finish it. You can't bet what a beat her today. You can't bet what a beat her today. If he smoke this, he go finish. The can't bet. Imagine the cockability. Your children, they ask. You never go find them. You see, they say you be single girl. People don't the right and say you be single girl. You never ever marry. See what my friend. My friend just beneath to analyze and just say, why you tired, man? I tell you, so do you know it as to turn with me. So I'm also turn you on.
Era wo no edo okay. I have Africa si mo vieux ton Nigeria so ton.
Owera wu Africa si vie o ton ari Nigeria. Na so ton aka Africa si ahian wa very ta.
If you do ni on we Ghana on the Senegal again if you know where we say any man all those Benin women that marry from different tribalism. That no mean tribalism no be anything. Maybe tribe no mean anything. But time shall come, they will know where they are. They're not married now.
Talk true.
Really?
They're not married.
Any Benin woman will marry or that tribe. You don't marry. No.
Talk true.
For our tradition in Benin.
Yeah.
You didn't marry.
Talk true.
Ask people.
So he's not a married woman.
He's not a married woman.
Now they hear my friend they talk. This my friend a comedian, like bad comedian.
He didn't marry.
He say he didn't marry. Now they hear the English. He didn't marry. I don't know what to get. Or when he didn't marry.
He does not marry.
He say any man that marry Kokobiri or Afghanistan or what is not from your country tribe, you are never married.
Never married now.
Because you cannot from that side to go and why at all. Say you can go have your turn from Kokobiri or Ivory Coast to Vioton to Benin. How can you Vioton to Soton and everything? You cannot come have Vioton. If you have Vioton, he come to be to Vioton in Benin. You cannot go to another place in go and Vioton. If you go and Vioton, you cannot Vioton again.
That's not possible.
It does not possible, abi.
No.
Now they see the English. Now they like the English, abi. So Vera, away going to Africa Coast, you cannot view turn. You cannot view turn to Benin. That means you cannot so turn. So if your father loses monkey life right now, there's no way you can view turn again. You cannot view turn because if you want to view turn, you have to go and choose from your home. You dey hear me? So you that go to Kokobiri or you go to Sudan or anywhere or Ghana, you cannot view turn. So you better dey smoke the Igbo more. You know say na Igbo you can smoke for Europe. May you dey smoke the Igbo more. Know say na the Igbo you can smoke for Europe. Say you dey enjoy the Igbo. Just you dey enjoy the Igbo. He say some Benin men not good. See, my sister, some Benin men good, some not good. We know. He say take the smoke from her and beat her up from on the take. Don't worry, my sister, I go beat her later. Don't worry, I go beat her. Better beating. Yeah, Ekato, God bless you. I don't cite you. I don't cite you. See, you will say some Benin men not good. May I tell you, if you jump better Benin men, God don't bless you. I dey tell you, if you jump better Benin men, God don't bless you. Just that they're not common. The real Benin ones, they're not common. So if you jump any better Benin person, God don't bless you. I don't fit tell you like they're not common. If you jump any real Benin person, we be Benin man, we be say you know himself, we the hustle. Just that now we be guests. Now they like me with the hustle. Now those are where they put jeans for nyash. Now they like. Now we be guests. Now those are where they carry dread. We go carry hand. You have fun the dread. All those kind of things. Now they like. So when I see men with the hustle, we know the guard. You know how they send those boys. On level. Those one we be say guests the back cloth for. They'll call the phone. Not today. They are upstairs. Nothing. Not by rere. So all those kind of guests now they all those kind boys now they like. So I need to change. You see this kind of Vera now. That's why they bomb up and down. Don't bomb tire. Now you still get only you want born 15 children. You know if you take care of anyone. Now you want to smoke my friend, they go finish. Imagine. You want to smoke my friend, they go finish. Pretty. I cite you. God bless you. God bless you, pretty. Yeah. Now those one are my real fans. Pretty. God bless you. Anywhere you did, God continue to bless you. So pretty. Today, our topic now. Vera want to smoke my friend, they go finish. You see, since now it remains mommy smoke and finish. You understand me, so Vera, you want to smoke my friend, you go finish, abi? I hear the letter for you. So I beg, if you now see boys we be say they try with the hustle, more they stick up with them. More they lose all those kind of men. Boys we they try, we be say they retry. More they lose all those kind of men. More they feel say now those one where they get dread. That be boys, so all those one where they get dread, we be say something they where they get dread, we get sense, but not be all. Those one where they put this for nyash. Those are where they put this, yeah. Now so na comedy class, and we need to funny. So now so it be pretty. So if we're not funny, how we got it? They do our comedy. This is comedy. No season like comedy news with this. So they do different type of things here. So this advice I they give women. So I beg, when they try. You understand me? They very very important. If you see man we be say the hustle, they try. When I stick up with them. No time we fuck up. No they come out they beer. They very very important. If you look at the apple for a Nogi show yesterday, we be say that girl they call blessing. That get born for 4 fathers, 4 children. You know good. I beg. See this one now, you're the born through way now. This one now, I only go now many husbands. This one don't born for Vera. You just the phone say Jamie get 3. We don't allow one man anybody 3 children for now. We don't know. Mona reason the matter now. Vera, what I see my mefo. See, I'm gonna look at. I don't carry better bet for her today. Mona not go anywhere. Oh. The kind of beat where this girl will receive today. The kind of beat. I feel charge. I feel use the bet still around the head. Me not feel say how they play. Me feel the see. We want Sigma and we later we want receive there now. Me I feel use the bet still around the head. Me not feel say na play with the play here. So we want see. You know say sometimes those days we will do bad. That bad or come put the bad for our front. See more they do and our papa will they look us. Now experience those things for Nigeria that year. Those are within Nigeria. If you get bad, what you do that bad, of course, okay, maybe you stand for that bad. Now they do the bad for their front. Now wetin Vera dey do so? Vera dey hide the smoke igbo. So now we dey try na make it do am for our front. Na mo see. So let's see whether I go fit smoke the igbo finish. OCFO na wage na. OCFO. You say Vera go and take care of your children. Oh, see Corey Toto. Hey, imagine person dey bear Corey Toto. This one na Facebook news sef. If dey bust my head, imagine person dey bear Corey Toto. You just na real account be this. God bless you now. Na too much. You know say Vera wan smoke my friend Igbo finish. When they share the video, when they share am, so that make people they see the video. When they share am, see Vera wan smoke my friend Igbo finish, my people. Now they see this matter. Vera wan sick boss in FO. Yes or no? I give am mustache. You need to get mustache. I don't give am mustache. I don't see the mustache. Vera, very mustache in the oh, kwaje there. Uwe a chameleon with him. Chameleon will change. You not chameleon, Vera. You be chameleon, you dey change 24 hours, every 5 minutes you dey change. Hey, hello boy. 5 minutes you dey change. My country people, una dey see am. Una dey see am. No be small matter o. The matter large. I dey give am mustache. That's why I call mustache. I never know mustache. Very big. Because of Onozua, I'm a mustache. This is me as well. So okay, can I have a mustache? Mustache. Yeah, I don't see the mustache now. Vera, if you were here. If you were here, Vera. Yeah, see Mariga. Bongosa Jimo. IK one mascot. If you never know one mascot, 9 days, so I call IK one mascot. You only soldier where they go war, where they come back safety without nothing they do. That be IK. Bongosa John. That be. Yeah, Bongosa Jimo. The only soldier where they go war, they come back again. I cite you, my brother. Now ma you be, Monsa. Now ma you be okay. Our today topic, Vera once spoke my friend Igbo finish. Not be small matter. Vera once spoke my friend Igbo finish. Very, very important. If you see what they saw here, okay, every hearing, okay, agbe level one man see. Vera see boss MFO. Hey, bros. How you say make the matter be now? You want to collect the Igbo? Bros, you want to smoke the Igbo finish? How you see the matter?
Collect the Igbo from your hand.
You see?
Collect the Igbo from your hand.
May I collect the Igbo from your hand? You see, I say my friend is saying may I collect the Igbo. Okay, may I see the comment section? I want you to concentrate on the comment section. May I already know? May I see how many people want me to collect the Igbo from your hand? More than you tell me. How many people want me to collect the Igbo from your hand? May I see the comment? Those are where they watch me now. Now they watch me with my see how many people want me to collect the book for your man see. Say we city today for France. I did Bordeaux City. Bordeaux City. Only one person that don't say yes. See, take the smoke from her. 2 people don't say yes. Now only one person see the talk. Yeah, now only one person. Only one person that they talk, somebody collect the smoke for you, but the rest people never talk. Say, I too like you, bro. Now God will bless you. God will bless you. See, How many people want me to collect this Igbo for you? More than they talk. Eh? How many people want me to collect it? Vivian say me collect the Igbo for you. Yes, 2 people now. If you want me not collect, I say no. If you want me to collect, I say yes. Corey Tutu say, don't praise my love. Corey Tutu. Oh, Bob. Corey Tutu. Wahala dey o. Take am easy. See, 2 people don't talk now. 2 people. How many people want my? How many people? Hey, see this guy, the pipe, the Igbo, Vera wa pipe. Hey, see, I see the pipe on. See the smoke, not evaporate. Not the same. Oh, boy, I enjoy. I really enjoy. See, I see you enjoy that. Again, done. Dege na done. O wa sigbanafu. Wage. Vera, done. When you smoke my both finish, imagine. You see, collect from you too much. Yeah. Okay, people don't see my collector. Rita Tutu this man. He's a lubari ni never wa be baba. Rita Tutu this man. Imagine, best use this name to put Facebook. Rita Tutu this man. Yeah, so Rita Tutu this man. Well, I do. You see, our brain already turned upside down because don't too smoke the Igbo since. That's what we can collect now. OCFO, I'm a collector. OCFO. Vera, where they do turn upside down because you see bank baby. When you smoke my friend Igbo finish, imagine. Here wa kevik bana wage. Na small you can remember for the Igbo. See, small. Don't smoke my friend Igbo finish. Oh, I enjoy your man or the collect it from that her big head. Quickly before she go remove clothes. You see, people don't say me a quick collector for you because you why are they careful? What they don't the people don't say me a collector. The one you me away. Everybody say me a collector. Bros, I better go carry your Igbo because OCFO don't me now.
Collect am for your hand. Collect am, me drop am.
I just tired.
Collect am from me hand, me drop am.
See, they follow me the dragon. Say they follow me the dragon. Now when I see am, they follow me the dragon. You know why? You know grill. They follow me the dragon. She they follow me the dragon. Vera, do you know it? Vera, do you know Igbanari? Vera, do you know Igbanari? Vera, do you know Igbanari? They follow me the dragon. Vera, Egege, do you know Igbanari? Do you know Igbanari, Vera? Aya, do you know Igbanari? Omari, you know it? Say I say no gree come out. Now say I say no gree come out. Be like say we start to the beat am. Omari, you know it? You no gree come on your mouth. Ipina. When I talk for this matter now, you Pina, imagine this kind of matter. You know what give my friend Igbo. You Pina. Eh? You go like this. Very what pin Igbo. May I still give him one fire. May not say I too stingy. May I still give him one fire. Like I always teaching be. Only these 2B now you want your take. Now if you take these 2B, you need to quick. We can't tell our people where they say where you pack your children put. No, we acting utiania because my guy know that utinia, but we position here there. What do I sigma? We position here there. Oh yeah, come on your mat. Come on your mat. Yeah, people, you know what come on mat too. You know what come on mat too. Now they say, she know what come on mat too. My dragon. When I say na come, my dragon. He drag everywhere. She know what remove the mat to my the dragon. Now they say, better you know it. You know it better. You know it banari. You know it Salwa. You know it. Bro, sabetic. What's the Igbo very full? Eh? What's the Igbo very full? Imagine. My boy on nose. Ni ginu we now. See, Matt. My boy on nose. Why you smoke the go finish? Eh? Why you smoke the go finish? Imagine. See, I want more bitter for these things we do so. You don't fuck up. You want fuck up. Have you born a hiri? Allah, have you born a hiri? My life come on fuck up. Igbana, why go sigbana fu? Why go sigbosi me fu? How have you born? No, I don't see amo. How have you born? Why you want sigbosi me fu? Wọ́n máa mú ẹ.